Hi, this is Sanjeev Mehta from Trade Fair TV. Right now, we are at Nehru Center where India Art Festival is going on. Let's check out what's there for us. This is the exact venue where this festival is going on, which is supposed to be a leading modern contemporary art festival in India. Under one roof, they bring together all the artists, art buyers, consensus since 2011. As the name shows, India Art Festival. It's seen here, every artist has tried to peep into the mystery of India. Your creation is something very different. Would you tell me about this creation?
This is actually a Kalankari style of work from Andhra Pradesh. I took acrylics first and then I put a Kalankari here with some good imported pen like rotring pen. This is a special one which has so good response from other customers. And this is Avatar of Vishnu. This tilak is well loved by Balaji. So I kept this tilak here and his 10 avatars. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the previous avatars of Balaji.
I truly appreciate your creation. One thing which is coming to my mind is that how much time does it take to complete this kind of a work?
I did this work for 2 weeks.
माय नेम इज़ नागभूषण हेगड़े। हमारा कंपनी का नाम है स्वस्ति विनायका आर्ट एंड हेरिटेज कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड है। हमारे पास ऑल नेशनल अवार्ड आर्टिस्ट काम करते हैं। हमारा एक पेंटिंग का आप सिलेक्शन देखिए, इसमें हर पेंटिंग में पूरा मेन्यूट वर्क किया हुआ है और ये पेंटिंग में वी हैव यूज ऑल नेचुरल स्टोन कलर यूज किया हुआ है। आज का दिन ये जो पैशन मॉडर्न आर्ट और कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्ट से हटके है, ये मिनिएचर पेंटिंग का जो हिस्ट्री है इट इज़ 12th सेंचुरी से आया हुआ है और इन 21st सेंचुरी में ये पेंटिंग को कंटेम्प्रेरी पेंटिंग से हटके गया हुआ है, लेकिन वो अपने को लाइव देना है और नेक्स्ट डिकेड को ये मिनिएचर पेंटिंग को लेके जाना है। दिस इज़ आवर मोटिव। You cannot see in the naked eye, so if you see with the magnifying glass, so that you can see the beauty of the miniature painting, how they did Indian artists. You can see the detailed work in the painting, each and every part of the art like ornaments, hair, dresses and horse hairs, everything. If you can see with the magnifying glass, you can have a beauty of that dot work. Miniature paintings का जो खूबसूरती है वो इसमें आपको अच्छी तरह से दिखा जाएगा।
Lots of hard work goes into it.
This kind of work only Indian artists can do this.
Here I realize how people are attracted to art. They are trying to capture the best moments and the best pieces of work. Let's see the enthusiastic visitors. What special thing you want to say about these things?
All are good artists, young artists, emerging artists. All have their different works. We have a collection of realistic, semi-realistic.
So were you here last year also?
No, this is the first time we are exhibiting here.
Thank you so much. It's very pleasant surprise to see young generations here watching this beautiful exhibition. Their enthusiasm is palpable.
This is more interesting other than going to shopping malls and everything.
These paintings interest me a lot, from different artists.
We are at Segar Gallery and I am speaking to Mr. Raja Segar. Just want to know, sir, how this passion caught you?
Basically, I was from the science field and I did mathematics and I was working as a quality control. As a hobby, I started to make my own greeting cards, all copy from the other Western countries. Our cards.
So right now you're fully into it.
No, I'm not fully into it. I made my own greeting cards and people want to buy the cards in the big paintings. They made me a painter, not that I became the painter.
You had this talent from childhood.
No, I didn't do arts in school. I was fully interested in mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, all that subjects. So I studied all that and it led to my career.
This is the first time you have come in this kind of exhibition.
First time. I had a couple of solo exhibitions in Delhi and Mumbai and Hyderabad.
So how you are getting the response here?
Here there are 2-3 types of buyers. One they buy as a souvenir and some are buying for the passion of art and some are investing on paintings. I sit in front of the canvas, I feel what I want to do, then I draw. The imagination comes after that, after I take the brush and the paint in my hand.
Thank you so much, Mr. Segar.
Hi guys, welcome to Trade Fair TV. This is Sameer Patel, your host. Today I've got something interesting for you. The Autocar Performance Mumbai 2015 from the BKC.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Shamim Farooq at UNESCO and we are here at the Dubai Property Show. So let's get inside and see what these people have got for us.
Welcome to one of the most awaited and the biggest event of the nation, the Make in India Week. This is a week-long event.
Anita Raghunath, the Director of Virgo Communications and Exhibitions Private Limited.
Hi, my name is Yunus Khan. I'm from Trade Fair TV. Right now at the Mumbai Exhibition Center at the Rubber Tech Expo 2015.
That's a smart fitness band that you can see over here from Apple. So yes guys, this right now is not available in the stores. So you can only find this at Flipkart.
And last but not the least, we bring to you the most compact, the newest hatch in town, which is none other than the Gen X Nano from Tata Motors.
Hi, this is Prachi Sharma from Trade Fair TV and we are standing at the Bombay Exhibition Center and we are about to enter Parmex, which is supposedly India's largest and greatest dedicated event.
Escalator Expo 2016. This is the 4th largest international expo of its sort.
Hi, this is Sanjeev Mehta from Trade Fair TV. Right now we are at Nehru Center where India Art Festival is going on. Let's check out what's there for us. Please come.